Please, what do you want from me?
Mr. Grundy's looking for a bigger brain. Something in Nobel Prize size. And you've been picked to donate. Ah!
You won't need a brain where you're going, Grundy. Behind bars in Blackgate Prison.
Let's make this quick, boys. It's dinner time and I'm starving.
Batman and Black Canary! You heard the boss! Get him!
Such a pretty voice, but I have one too. Looking for me, big boy?
Not too bright.
You're learning, Grundy. Maybe you don't need a bigger brain after all. Then again.
No one escapes justice, not even the undead.
So, how about that dinner? Your treat.